Please pay attention to this message.
What has happened in Akobo, it's something that we had somehow knew is going to happen. It is not that the army didn't want to fight. The army wanted to fight, but what we need to do is that some of us who are actually deep in coordinating what is going on, first of all, when the army entered Akobo, most of all these mujrimin, they have left the town. They have ran, they took everything and all their children and all these people, and they went away. Now, if people were to fight, people would kill them, because most of these children that were sent, they were just very young. Just young children and all this. But the aim is to let them come in good number. The aim is to let them come in good number. So it's not they are capturing it. It is that the army actually has to leave so that they come in. The next thing that is going to happen, I'm not going to explain here, because I know there are so many Nuer that are listening here. I'm not going to say it. The plans are underway, and nobody's going to escape that that area called Akobo. We just want them to come in all. They'll be surprised. Continue.
I gave it one payment. I gave it one payment.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm not going to tell everything. Yeah. What we need is that we actually wanted to destroy Akobo, including all the houses that are in Akobo. But we cannot do that when the army were there alone and everybody has run away. So what we need is for them to come back. All these mujrimin, they have all run. Nobody's ever happy. Now we want them all to come back. And the good thing is, the good news is all of them. In fact, we need them to even to come as much as they can. Even if it's 10,000, let them come. And I will come back here in the next 3 to 4 days. Here in this clubhouse. Last, because I'm not going to talk a lot. Last, Drone, wait.
No, I'm not talking. Okay, go ahead. I was about to give you something and comment on it.
I would buy Paul, but no, I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to do a lot of comment.
Okay.
What is happening is this. Riagaikok, just for you to know, Riagaikok has been having a lot of meetings with the so-called Nuer Salatin Fiakobo. That's not a peace. That one, he would talk. Somebody who is addressing their people in Nuer language. There's something different. But he has also been having a lot of meetings with these people. And so when he left Akobo, just a few days ago, a day or two, that's when he informed them, first of all, the army that are in Akobo, they are few. And secondly, they're in this location, they're here. So you people, if you can come as soon as I leave, you can do that. So Riagaikok, he's behind everything. And I want to submit to this that we have reported him. We have sent sufficient evidence to the government, and they're aware. Listen to me. Mok is going to be removed very soon, and he's not going to escape. He's going to be put in jail. Take this from me. So he's not going to escape anywhere. Let their white army come and take him away from the jail. But this is just one thing I want you guys to know. Last but not the least, I want to inform the Nuer that are in this room, please tell your people to come. All of them, they should come, because Akobo is going to be a battleground. It's going to be a battleground, mark my word. So this fighting, that you fight, and then you run away, we don't need that. We want you to come with all your grandchildren. Stay in Akobo and wait for us to come. Let's fight. Let's have a real fight. That's what we need. Not this one, just you are beaten and then you run away to the border. And then you come back. This time, Akobo, Ube border Bitomunda, they are going to go there. Lastly, the Anywak are also aware, and their plans are underway. So when they're attacking Akobo and the areas where they're going to be in the refugee camp is going to be attacked as well. We are having a clear coordination. This is not a warning, but I'm telling them to know that tomorrow, me as Anywak, I don't want to hear people crying. Now, this crying, I'm tired of it. I do not want to hear people crying. Prepare yourself. Akobo is going to be a battleground. We as the Anywak, in fact, we even told the Anywak, nobody should fight. They have come. Okay, guys, get out. All of you. We were informed earlier that they're going to come. So most of everybody went out and they all went away with the army. In 3 days or 4 days, I'll be back here. I will stop. Thank you so much. Microphone is back to you, Marshals.
Thank you so much.
Go dear just plan Johnny can bershanen plan dien can she can coordinate already no ba Nuer ba ka deal nakaken na me plan dien can regai cook echa right ke jejen bor eno ka jienda ke mo wajien bi akobo biaja kule lo yan mat nyogba ram raje chalo kelo agadbar chikana coordinate bono bidenya SSPD abig jen ka kobo ibnu adi albu chop ka kobo kandial mishika ben la shika ben kwa kel kandial no ibikan korbe kana kula tok ba Nuer ba ko nak ka ba teken dial ba ga shuwa kana jen plan dien kan right kan ka kala ba sir mandan linkona na meshian first time ka kan bar Kober, she gonna coordinated already, jang, kondial, and all this plan, chicken laska place. Riak and la larke, yen Nueridial, the tika South Sudan, tiki Ethiopia, better tea, Miguel Kagil la talk. A lion child, Melodian were a mechanic action can in a concanca quidian ganity. Koken, can it do where it initiate Kajere, guy cook a cook on a good guazame. Regai cook Sharon Quagalo Kaja. Chiramental got cottonary cocaine can yal kajang already all of them. But no kunala dear Kaja long till Nueri, a one. La really Nuer. Woken Quarcon cook on the chol no to Quijaneto, look a cabani, a jam con the kelkake. Going a cabon or yen median kelkanware, while a Canadian corn nakakon. Imagine Brajaka slave. Karama baju jai an hotel melody chimi kaneta chicken information wanting a jack a queer guy cook kana jack kirm yadit a bari guy cook ba lock up bari guy cook ba yen so I'm plan shirana me mun wan mekana kon charagwa and one editi they are using you to kill your own people bukulu wen yamde jina yero kan waruku jina logo jiram dana kula gujino wala dika kuna la neka kwide bukule pidde so na me eret medit right now man ku kon lingene ko jugan kon ko kon nang nat ka kon ni je ka ne de one thing bi anga jena Nueri gor kon baran jech bar ngaje no ko kon ngane bi jen ba kon tuk menadien akobo sha kebo e battle Changlar can akobo la battle field ke la war zone Manuer ngai kan gwa dan Nuer ko ken chicken de min kan Nuer ko mala chale ground battle ke bana ni nyalo cha ku ke de mchuok but planian ke lo bi Nuer kan el bi kan they don't need peace why ko bi gen otiken meti dit diken ke 6 tribe to kwa back up again but this is wrong ala community charge na ka no Nuer kan kadwal chimlar kan ai ishine jere wika akobo kap ko ne je Nuer kula la ne chobudi to ji gen ted ni no ka pangi ngende ni SSPD awe kan ka bar ba ne ti ka bar nyodi nyodi ramraje abar chal Peter Kelo chal la kana chol to na nyak chol jange no so yen Nuer wake up ala kono kola nen miti gare mu jitu kana je guch ka wan Country down a pelping, we can ray, and you don't have to ignore things. Mitch ben ko qua community dan qua jena. Yene country land where we tin quack, go rodun, Kayene tell what Kojo and Yene tell me can. Why are going by going can they will use you in the after that they will damn you. Again, that Jella we have to Karamachi community betray and then the next move by you Yakaramo. Tell him belong. So you may one. Gweja ko ba tukakan mi ro yakan Nuer chene kon charan yakan Nuer ba no community lu ye jok bukul we kuje dien ka jana chin wari ga lok ci ga yar aso ajen message me gor mo de nywa yekel message shaling real lo ne jok be gwit na mi jak shima gwa bana jik kamera dien